Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, valuable friends and family, thank you so much for coming over for this beautiful, momentous launch of I-95 TV in cooperation as a community partner with Houston Global Institute of Health. And my name is SameerKhan. I am a business coach, AI consultant, and also bureau chief for I-95 TV. I-95 TV is a fast emerging community digital TV connecting public, private, in the public sector, private sector, youth and women empowerment to enable them, give them a voice and a space where we can all contribute our positive energy. We will be having an interview session after this moment, so please stay with us. And those of you who have to leave early, we will definitely let you go as soon as possible. I would like to also state that today we stand united in our commitment to fostering a community that thrives on connectivity, collaboration, empowerment. Thank you for being part of this transformative experience with I-95. Indeed, I'll be needing a lot of your help and guidance, so please come forward, give me some time. After this, we will be coming to you, contacting you for your promotion, for your business, and for different type of initiative that you guys are having. I also have a list of people a little bit to thank you. Some of them are here, some are not. Some did register with us, but due to the safety reasons, we could not do it on the original day, which was yesterday. So we have Wayne Bergeron from co-founder Community Action Task Force in collaboration with Houston Royal Oaks Lions Club. We have FACO Communications Lead Sunrise Movement Houston, Zephyr Co Youth Leader Sunrise Movement Houston, Maria Amy Nisnesen from Royal Oak Medical Home and Wellness Clinic. Then we have Dr. Asif Kadir, physician, poet, author, and community political activist. We also have Mr. Morales. Thank you so much for being with us and for your time and coming over. We have Dr. Jalal. We also have our community member from PAGH and the Urdu Adabi Marcus. So thank you once again. And let me appreciate some of the team members who are actually making this happen today. The chairman who actually flew from Washington, D.C., Mr. Shahab Karni. He's sitting just right behind you. Board advisor, Mr. Shahid Hashmi. Our community partner, Dr. Asif Khwaja, CEO of Houston Institute of Global Health. Board advisor. And my creative director, Zishan Mirza. Thank you so much. We have a makeup artist, Zafreen from Houston. We have Aisha Murtaza and team from Stephen Austin High School, and they're doing the volunteer work with us. We have Muna Shahab and team from Adabi Marcus. We have PJ Sawati, would not be able to probably attend, but again, I would mention his name. We also have Muaz Khan, president of Vision Without Barriers. Muaz is a blind, disabled person, and he runs his own NGO. He was not able to make it today due to some other appointments. We have Denzel Wilson, grassroots community manager in collaboration with Seed AI. We also have Dina Marie Stager, grassroots community in collaboration with Seed AI. And please introduce your name. I did not catch it.
Oh, sorry. My name is Igor Lucic. I'm also with Seed
From the
AI.
Seed community? Thank you. And then we also have Graylin Wells, CEO of AI Insurance Services. They are our neighbor in this building. A lot of AI people, by the way. So we will catch up later on. So that's all for today. Have a wonderful time. Again, please do not rush. Let me have you on the camera. And the first step would be a little bit to the makeup room and then in front of the camera. 1 minute. Thanks a lot. Thank you. So let's...
Republican chair. She's also a former state Republican Executive Committee woman, and I was as well. And we represented the most diverse district in the whole state of Texas. You're sitting in it right now, Senatorial District 13 of the state of Texas, where we come together. She has precinct chairs. Saeed Ali is the one that brought us here because we want to make sure everybody gets active. We want to make sure people vote. Because if you don't vote, you don't have a say. And the government will just do whatever. We need people that help, and that's why I-95 is going to be here to help the community. So thank you for the invitation.
Yes, thank you so much. Hello, viewers. Today is a remarkable day for I-95 as an official launch with us. And today we have an amazing guest, Colonel Raul Morales. Sir, I would like to know, how do you feel attending this inauguration and channel launch?
This is a great honor to be part of something from square one, maybe square zero, but I'm sure you're ready to take off and launch this new network here in Houston. And as I mentioned earlier today, this is such a diverse community we're in right now, this particular part of Houston, Texas. And it's going to be a great opportunity, and it's going to serve this community so well with information that can come out, not just here, but across the nation.
So do you think this type of media will be a vocal, a place where an opportunity for people who would like to come forward, women, kids, or youth, and different ideas which can be collaborated in such way?
Well, again, it's another avenue of information. It's information that goes back 100 years, but now we're tied to streaming, where I can pick up my phone and I can watch and understand and gather information, what's happening here. And information is gold, and it will help this community move up in the economic ladder.
Pleasure. Pleasure. Thank you so much for your time, for coming up here, even though the weather is not still suitable. But thank you once again, and I look forward to meeting with you later on.
I'm looking forward. Maybe we can get together for lunch and talk about how we can.
Audience, we have today Dr. Asif Kadir. So let's get his opinion on what does he think about the media center or the opportunity for people to come on board and vocal their feelings.
First of all, I want to congratulate you for opening a I-95 TV station in Houston. It's a good flavor of having a media new outlet in Houston. As you know, Houston is the biggest Pakistani diaspora. You can call Houston a mini Pakistan. You can also call Houston taste city of United States of America. And to have a I-95 here, you will be home. You will have a lot of people that you can work with.
So we have a special guest, Mr. Shahid Hashmi. He's a businessman, investor, and entrepreneur. So let's get his idea, his opinion on what does he thinks about a media house opening up and giving a vocal facility for the local community.
Well, actually, I have on and off, I have been involved with I-95 for quite some time, so it's not new for me. And it's a good idea that to expand it to Houston, because I think since I've been coming to Houston very regularly now, so it's good for me that if I want to get involved both here as well as in the Washington, D.C. area.
Definitely. Yes. So Mr. Hashmi is our board member as well, board advisor. And this channel was born where these guys actually live. So this is one of the news too for you guys. Well, thank you so much once again for your time. She is the top woman from the top 50 in the U.S. with Oprah Winfrey. She's sharing the same space with her. She is a healthcare professional. So Dr. Miriam is with me, and I would like to know what's her opinion on the social media and the new channel that we are opening up.
Wonderful. I actually came here to support you and is to follow your passion. So I'm really impressed by what you've done and the effort you put in, even though you're against the Arctic freeze over here, but excellent. Keep up the good work.
Thank you. I have Selena Provost with me. She is the LGBTQ Chamber of Commerce head, and she's heading the marketing. Let me ask her opinion. What does she think about having I-95 as a media voice box for the community?
I'm thrilled, and I can tell you the Chamber is thrilled that you guys are here and doing the work that you're doing. The mission is noble and I think needed. And I think we live in this incredibly big, diverse wonderful city, and there's so many stories to be told. I know even our chamber members are great examples of that. We've got these from mom and pop businesses to our impact partners that are doing great things in this city. And I cannot wait for us to work together to get those stories out, because I think that there is a great community connection to be made and inspiring stories to tell.
Today I have with me Mr. Denzel from Seed AI. I just wanted to know, we will just take his opinion. What does he think about having a media house, a vocal option for the community?
Yeah, so I think it's very important. You know, I'm a really big advocate of Houston. This city's been very good to me. One of the first graduates of HCC's AI, Artificial Intelligence program. So just having this other option here in the community is very huge. And I know other people around here will probably be excited to get involved in any way they can. And I know I'm going to be advocating for it and making sure students are aware of what's going on over here.
For sure. Thank you. Thank you once again. What about your opinion, sir? Can you introduce yourself as well?
Right. My name is Igor. I'm also part of Seed AI. Thank you so much for having us, Mr. Khan. But yeah, I think, well, first of all, our mission is to get a lot of students interested into AI. So to have an arm and a friend with I-95, I think it's just going to make our job a lot better and easier as well.
Definitely. Thank you once again, guys. Today I have Don Elliott with me from the Republican Party. So let's have some few words about what does she think about a media house or an option or opportunity for the local community as a vocal media person.
You know, I think I-95 coming to Houston is just fabulous, because we need a form of media that's there for the community and only for the community, so that we have an alternative of voices and alternative points of view for people to consider.
Definitely. Today I have beautiful, amazing volunteers, really hardworking people from Stephen Austin School. Let me just take some few words. How did they feel about the session and the launch of a new channel?
We felt pretty good. It was nice to network and know everyone. A lot of elder people gave us advice on what to do with our lives. It was a really nice opportunity.
I share similar sentiments. I'm glad to have this experience so that I could get experience from working with other people and setting up events and getting advice from others.
I got to meet a lot of new people, help them around, and I got introduced to some people that are in the medical field, something I want to pursue.
I would like to thank my creative director, who is actually capturing these beautiful moments, and because of him it was possible to capture so many individuals and moments in time. And also would like to thank Zafreen. She was our makeup artist. She volunteered her services for the sake of community. Then we had volunteers from Stephen Austin School. So I'm so happy and thrilled. We had a great number of people, powerful people, personalities from politics, from normal walks of life, and they all came here, joined hands to support us and to give us more encouragement to keep on going and be voice for the community. Thank you so much once again.